Now let us see how to service a high viscous and low viscous pump. Looks similar, but high viscous pump looks little bigger. Now we'll see, as I told you earlier, high viscous pump tube also interchangeable with electrical as well as air motor. Now let us see how to change the parts. Now principle of high viscous pump is progressive cavity. It's a screw. The screw consists of a rotor as well as stator. Now let me show you in detail what is a stator. Now you can see a black part and SS parts. This SS part is called rotor, the black is called stator. The stator is made of 3 different rubbers: White-on, EPDM and Bunion. Now let us see how to change the failure of screw pump. The service is required for screw pump in both places. One is the rotor stator part, another is bearing head part. Since stator is again an elastomer, it can fail because of compatibility of the liquids as well as wear and tear. Then the standard life of stator for the compatible liquid is not more than 1 to 1.5 years. You have to change we'll see how to change the stator. You can see the similarity between low viscous and high viscous pump. Even here there is a coupling, spider, bearing head. Except impeller, there is a rotor stator. Now to change the rotor stator first, we have to open the coupling. You can see it's a bigger version of bearing head with a bigger bearing, bigger shaft seal and bigger bearing head. Like low viscous pump, the stator is again, it is a left hand thread. Now we'll show how to open it. Open. Now it is again opposite direction, it opens. You try to pull it open. Now this is a rotor we are talking about and a stator. The black portion is a rubber. The rubber is molded to a SS pipe. Together it is called stator. Rubber is either EPDM. This stator is of EPDM. That's why we have inscribed letter E. Similar way we must have done that V and B. B stands for White-on, B stands for Bunion. You can identify the stator material using this letter. Head opener, a little bigger size. Now we'll insert the bearing. We have to remove the bearing head. before removing the bearing head, first we have to remove this screw. Then only this shaft will come out of the bearing shaft. The pump shaft will come out. Let us see how to open this screw. Servicing a high viscous pump is little difficult than the low viscous pump. Here we need one more tool. It is a stool. You have to hold that bearing shaft. You hold tight the screw, the rotor, with the use of a plier, and open the shaft. Now the shaft, the rotor along with the shaft will come out. Yes. Now we have to open the bearing head.
Hello. आपको किससे बात करने गए हैं? हेलो, ये विकास कौन है? विकास।
It is similar to the bearing head of the low viscous pump. Inside you can see the same arrangement. There is a Teflon washer. This Teflon washer is doing a primary seal job. The gap between the shaft and the head is tightly packed with Teflon packing. So there is very little chance and moreover this pump is running in 960 RPM and there is no leakage occurs through this bearing head, unlike the low viscous pump. But here the maximum pressure developed is 6 bar. So you have to be very careful at the outlet should not be closed. This pump should not be operated on closed outlet. This is a positive displacement pump. So the pressure will, if the outlet is closed, then the liquid try to enter through this packing. So be careful. It's a factory fit bearing head ready to use. Now before using it, before put into the pump body, clean the pump inside portion of the pump body inside, because there may be a leftover of liquid inside the body. So clean it thoroughly. It will help us to help the bearing head also thread smoothly. Now first you have to first put that the washer, you have to place it, then you place the bearing head. tighten it. Ensure that it is being tightened properly. You have to connect the shaft to the bearing head. You have to insert from the bottom portion. You can see a shaft from the discharge. So the screw is tightened to that bearing shaft. Now we have to put the stator. Press it. You hold this bearing shaft with the end of the additional tool. Automatically it will press in. Then you tighten it. It automatically right. You tighten it properly with the help of a screwdriver. Now the pump is ready for operation. This is how you are servicing the high viscous pump also. Thank you.